in the shop, we're going to be installing the Wanderful Shower Kit on the Sprinter van. Okay, so I just got this Wanderful Shower Kit in the mail. It's actually delivered via Amazon and ready to install it. My first impression is really good. We'll unpack it, but the quality, the initial impression's impressive. This is the shower curtain, this is the basin, and really nice stuff. Shower curtain looks great. This unfolds. Very cool. The base, well, the basin. Again, very nice bag, plenty of room, which is great. I hate bags that barely fit. Very nice. Heavy duty. And then this is the floor. It pops out and goes in. So, yeah, it's got hooks to hook the shower into. And the idea here is to put it in the back of the Sprinter, right between the doors. And really I want to have a couple different mounting setups. With the Murphy bed up, I can put it completely inside under the fan. And then you can also do an outside shower, and it'll hang about here. And we're going to put some footmen on the doors to hold the cords. So here we go. So the first thing I want to do is figure out the height at which I want to install this. So I want the zipper to be facing out, I guess. So I'm going to hook these in. That'll do. It's got enough angle to keep the thing up, and you know, we won't lose any height on the shower, so that'll work. Okay, so I think I'm going to use the trim here as my reference point to get 300. I'm going to go 320. Okay, these are some stainless steel 1-inch footmen that I got off Amazon, of course, and they come with number 6 stainless steel screws, and I'm going to use a 3/16 bit to drill the holes. Okay, I just marked center of each hole. I'm going to put a tiny little center punch mark to guide the drill. Not enough to dent the metal, just enough to put a dent in the paint. I'll wipe off some of the excess primer. Nice. Good. Looks good. Perfect. Okay, hooks are up. Look good. Now the fun part. The hang's nice. Good start. Ooh, nice. Aha, that's about perfect. Okay, I have my shower head. These are great little shower system. Scandivic is the company, and it's got a little button, you know, little button control for the shower. Just pop this guy in here like that. And I think I'm ready for a shower. Oh my goodness. Okay, water pump on, Mixing heater on. This is pretty rad. I can't wait for the water to heat up. I'm literally going to take a shower. This will work fantastic. Haha. Footmen are perfect. All right, here's kind of the full test of the Wanderful Shower. I'm going to set it up from start to finish. So basically, got it right here in the van, and basically the basin. It's got a little floor as well. Boom, and all set there. And then we got the shower curtain bag. And with the little footman I just installed, this is super easy. Into the base as well. It's got some great little carabiner clips to snap into the base. That keeps any water from getting out of the basin. Now, I have my shower head right here. I have my heater on and the water on. So let's try that out. There we go. Whew. Nice hot water. Compliments of Rickson. Did a fine job. Now I'm going to step in and try this sucker out. I guess I'll kick my flip-flops off. Alright, so easy to get in and zip up. You've got a zipper on the handle on the inside, so there we go. Very nice. Alright, now I'm ready to shower. Okay, so in the shower you can see, very nice. This shower head has a lot to do with how well this works. This is the Scandivic unit. It's fantastic. So I mean, you're all set. This is really great. You can put it through here if you want. Boom. You got a little pocket to reach your toiletries, which you have right out here. So this is an awesome shower. I highly recommend it. You know, with putting everything away, it's really super easy. It's fantastic. So basically, you just unclick it from the basin and dump your water. And there's plenty of room for water. You'd never fill it up, particularly when you're on a 20 or 30 gallon tank in a camper. So you just grab this. They have great grab handles on the side. Just pour it out wherever. That's done. This leave it out to dry. And leave this up to dry. Okay, now I packed up the Wanderful Shower, and now I'm going to install it on the inside so we can take inside showers. Okay, with the Murphy bed setup of the van, which I totally give credit to Campo for coming up with this design. I basically was inspired by their design. So what I'm going to do is basically just fold the bed up. So I tuck the pillows into the flares and then just pop up the mattress like so. And tuck in the bedding in the back here. Keep it all nice and neat. Now, I'll be able to basically mount the footman for the Wanderful Shower right here over my fan and have some nice fan air coming through while I'm taking a shower. So let's give that a shot. Well, there we go, installed inside the van. They have zippers on both sides of this thing, which is fantastic. You can get in and out on either side. Just extended my hose, so my shower hose is inside. So this is fantastic, right under my fan. I have lights on the inside, so you have nice lighting. I mean, it's just perfect. So man, what a nice shower kit. Fantastic. Inside, outside, your choice. Very reasonable. With the Murphy bed, it fits right in. So there we go. Really couldn't be much happier than I am with this Wanderful shower. It's great. Inside, outside, very easy installation. Just put on footman in and out, and worked with my existing outdoor shower. So fantastic setup. Highly recommended. It's very nice.